What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Deepseek API key. So if you're looking for a way to get your Deepseek API keys here, well, this one is really easy. So first things first, you want to go to deepseek.com here, and at the top right of their website, you should see the API platform link. Go and just press or click on it. Now it should redirect you to this page here. Now by the way, if you don't have an account yet, you can go and create your own, or you just use your Google account. But once you've created your account, what we need to do next is we want to go to the left panel here, and you should see a bunch of things. We have usage, API keys, top up, and billing. But if you go to the API keys section, you now have the option that says create new API key. Let's go and click on create. Like, add whatever name that you want to use for API key. Let's go and just add test, click on create API key. Now you can go and copy your API key here and do whatever you would with that specific API key. Now the thing with API keys here is using it is not free, but obviously you can go and create your own here. So just to give you some idea, let's go to the pricing here. So according to their pricing, this is their features. As you see, this is the standard pricing, discount price here, and yeah. So if you want to basically get this specific, or if you want to start using it, just make sure that you have enough funds when you're using your API key here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.